FOSOTO founded in 2012 as a high-tech manufacturing facility specializing in lighting and camera-back camera tripods. FOSOTO has now become a lighting equipment expert and innovator of gears for photographers, lashes artists, makeup artists, aestheticians, and more. Driven by the mission of offering great lighting and photographic equipment, FOSOTO has been always pushing the boundaries of technology and constantly bringing professional products to the industries. With over 40 小时 highly qualified staffs and semi-manufacturing facilities, factories covering more than 1,200 square meters, including an electronic products assembling center, a plastic injection and tooling center, a hardware processing center, a fabric accessory assembling center. FOSOTO runs a diverse business profile with main product categories in photography, lightings, half moon light, ring light, video light, RGB light, LED star ring light, camera bag and camera tripod. Through open collaboration and innovation, we establish industry partnerships worldwide, which would allow people to share great moments with our professional lighting in the work. FOSOTO benefits from creative talent pool in R&D, design, sales and management teams for sustained success. Drawing on these resources, we are able to keep developing more and more professional and creative products every year to keep up to date with the market. FOSOTO will further ramp up investment into innovation, taking innovation to the next level and constantly delivering value to the industry and society at large. We will continue working to provide products combining advanced technology with dynamic designs to provide more innovative products for PH.
Hello!